Isimma! Isimma! Show yourself! Show yourself! Come out! Come out and battle with Eze Bunafo! Come out and battle with your God! Do not be a coward, Isimma! Come out and fight like a man! Fight! And I assure you, today will be your last day on earth. Come out, Isimma! Eze Bunafo! Okafani Wanketa. The big name that kills the dog. Okwasi no ngune Wanketa de kwa no isinse. Take a look around. What did you see? How did you get here? That's a puzzle for you. You remember here? This is where it all started. And this is where it's destined to end. Far away from the land of your birth. Eze Bunafo, this is where you meet your death. Now it's my turn. Moke na anwa Eze Bunafo. Take it. Nobody will thank God.
You must not allow this get in contact with water. Water is the only antidote to it. It must never get in contact with water.
My name is Eze Bunafo, and I am the heir to the throne of Isukwato Kingdom.
Inwa qualified chobodo. Inwa qualified chobodo. Inwa qualese welulo. Inecha kwechi chafuma. Yodusi makande nachi. Inecha qualuveti chamana. Inwa kwale unanya. Inwa kwale unanya. Inwa kwale obiumana.
My son. Where is my son? My son. My son. Why can't I find my son? Where is my son? Where is my son? Why can't I find him?
What do you seek in my abode?
Where is my son? What have you done with my son?
Your son? Oh, it was you all along. The lioness must have overslept that she didn't know when her tail was trampled on. Agonko was right. It was someone close to me. I knew it. I knew there was something fishy between you and my husband.
Bianca, I ask you again. Where is my son? What have you done with him? That boy is the only offspring of mine, with whom I intend to raise an empire. I do not joke with him.
Yet you sent him on a deadly mission. Did you live with my husband? So he do plant a seed in you. A seed of discord. That which you have planned to gain your access into my territory.
Oh no, my territory, Bianca. My territory! My territory, Bianca, not yours! He was never meant for you. You lured him into marrying you. Bianca, you lured my man. I have come to take what belongs to me.
Point of correction. He was the one who did. Ijele, I can see you're determined to ruin my years of cumulative effort.
Years of cumulative efforts cannot be compared to a single night of mine. This kingdom is bigger than what you nor your son can handle. The fire on that seat is far more hotter than the center of a nuclear explosion. Bianca, a child who does not know what war is calls it a piece of yam. I have come to take what is mine. Bianca, do not provoke me.
Ijele, Isukwato kingdom belongs to me. Not to you. Not to anyone else. Did I remind you that your good days of sorcery has come and gone? Your power can never hold water in this kingdom. The kingdom as great as Isukwato. Go back to where you came from if you still want your life in a peace.
Bianca, he who engages himself in a battle with his gods knows exactly what to expect. Bianca, a drunken fowl forgets the hawk. I taught you what you know.
Ijele! How could you forget? How could you forget so soon that I was Nengede? I, Bianca, was Nigede. Anyone who appeased the gods of Igede, who appeased the holy temple of Igede, financially, Igede, always Igede. Who told you that a student can never outgrow the teacher lied to you? Overtaking is allowed. Man, Okwero again water. Ijele. Okwero again water na bankiti na ngene na ekwo man oburu ofu mmili.
Bianca, a child who dips his hand in a beehive gets stung by the bees.
The tortoise can never stand the elephant in a fight!
A stubborn fly gets with a dead body into the grave.
Ijele, ngene bankiti bo family. Afade koko fuebe. Hey, opota ngene. Hey.
great forces at war. You have no place in this kingdom. Good must eventually triumph over evil. The gods are wise.
Ijele, ki imanka ozo. Mmili ngene na mmili blanketi na-ekwokọ ọnụ mana ọ bụrụ ofu chi nọ ya. Hey! Onne negede kambo. Once egede. Always egede.
Yeah. Hey, Odira Kwamfe. Hey, Odira Kwamfe. Odira Kwamfe no. Hey. Ife chine modogu. Ife china bungoke. Ise nisira no no kwano no no. Hey yeah, Odira Kwamfe. ogidi nebogidi. Obuziro gidi no de god no fair. Isi na bogidi na bogidi. Opazilo gidi de god no fair.
What happened? Why are we running? What happened?
I saw myself on the ground and I
This is it. I think I saw something. Yes, I saw something. I saw a strange figure. Yes, but I don't know what it is. Yes, I did see it too. Yes, I saw it.
Battle over.
Battle won.
The throne is home.
Hey! Agonia! Ezebuna Fagonia! Dike bulu dike kwa! Onye ga-ebuge munye ga-kwagawa. Imana dike bulu dike kwa na afio ngwa. Hey! Na majo. Majo?
Premier.
Oh my God, I keep.
Premier.
What second?
Hi.
Always second. Majo. Majo. Hey! Emeni hekira.
Should we harvest 20 heads from their shoulders to celebrate this victory?
We don't need it. Go to there. Na mmiri bankete. Na mmiri ngene. Na egwu kono mana oburu fuchi di aba. Ba onye ji ma no wa naka. Abunye.
My son becomes king.
Not so fast. I heard you clearly on the phone. At this juncture, we need to identify with ourselves.
Ide, what in the name of the gods we serve do you speak of?
What I am saying in effect is that it's time we identified with ourselves. Oh yes, the prince needs to identify with me and me with him. I mean, at the moment he sees me as just mere Onowu of this great kingdom and nothing else. I think it's time we called a meeting. Yes. For him to know my position, know who I truly am, and for us to pencil down what each of us need to benefit from this for proper dispensation of authority. My queen, I have my plans. Just as I know full well that you have yours. Oh yes, I do.
Ide, have you been hatching another egg rather than the one I know already?
That question is not necessary at this moment. It's not. Besides, I trust no one.
Really?
Oh yes. I need a written documentation. Yes, as an assurance for me. The prince needs to know what he needs to know now before he takes over. I mean it. So, that meeting needs to be called. Yes. If you don't, I'm afraid I'm going to spill the beans in the open.
Ide. Ichefugo na mbu negede. Once egede. Always egede. Have you forgotten that I was the one sponsoring you financially when you were the head of the temple? The holy temple. Ide. Ide. The gentle stride of a lion is not a sign of weakness. Don't play on my intelligence. A word of advice. An honorable one. Never you trample on the tail of a tiger, dead or alive.
I consider that a threat.
Statement of fact.
Father, is everything okay? Are you in trouble?
Tyrant, look what you've done to your people. Oh, tyrant, look what you've done to your people. Oh, no, no, no. Wisdom is calling. Wisdom is calling. Would you answer? Could you answer? Wisdom is priceless. Wisdom is free. Could you answer? Tyrant, what have you done to your people? Your people can see no future in your vision.
Amara womo, amara womo, amara womo. Na chima ga-ekwe ka ihere mem. Amara womo, amara womo, amara womo. Na chima ga-ekwe ka ihere mem. Ihoma, Baba, you're not singing. What are you thinking?
Mama.
Mama.
What is your problem? What is bothering you?
Nothing, Mama. I'm fine.
No, Mama, you're not fine. You're not fine. I can feel it here. You're my daughter. I know you're not fine. What is bothering you? Are you sick? You have fever. Your body is hot.
Mama, I don't have fever. I've just been thinking.
What are you thinking? Calcium. Is that calcium? Calcium. Is that calcium? Nah. Nah. How are you?
Fine.
Hey. Mama, what is it?
Mama. I've been thinking.
What are you thinking? Are you sick?
Mama, I said I'm not sick. I'm just thinking of us moving to the city.
Hey.
Yes.
City what?
Mama, at least to see greener pastures since nothing is happening here. We toil day in and out, working on other people's farms, doing menial jobs just to make ends meet. Yet they owe us and still give us flimsy excuses. Mama, look at us. Look at where we live. Things are not even getting better. And sometimes I just sit and wonder if God is still up there, watching us suffer like this.
Don't say that.
I just wonder, Mama.
Don't say that.
This is too much.
Mama, I can feel your pain. Right here in my heart. But this is one of the disadvantages of living here in India. Here in India, we don't have a land of our own. We don't have a land where we can find without one or two persons coming out to say it belongs to them. Like in your paternal home in Sikwato, where we had plenty of land to farm on. But we had to flee for safety of our lives. I need you to know that the God we serve, He does not sleep nor slumber. He will make everything fine in due course very soon. Stop crying.
So, Mama. Yes, Mother. Everything will be okay. We don't need to go in search of greener pasture.
Nah.
Because who we seek out there will locate us here. Yes, Mama, it will. Trust me when I say it will. Trust me.
Nah. Cassie. Where is Cassie? Cassie. Nah.
Trust me when I say it will.
You know you're my Cassie.
What is that? Why are you screaming my name? You're asking me why I'm screaming. Kachi, what are you doing here? Why your father is lying on the pool of his blood by the roadside? You see? Your father! Eh? Where? Where?
Yes. Please come over.
This is a fact. What is happening in this kingdom? What is happening? Mbaka! Oh no, what's that? Oh no, so much. Something is going on in this kingdom. Dikana. Better begin to think. Hey!
Father, it's high time you woke and take your leadership in this kingdom. Isiquato Kingdom needs you now than ever. Father, everything seems to become strange. Father, things are beginning to take a different form in this kingdom. Your princess is scared. Everything is becoming so worse by the day. Everything is becoming weird. Father, please, if you don't stand up to take back your leadership, things will go worse. Everything is becoming so different by the day in a very deteriorating manner. And if you don't stand up and take your leadership, the fate of Isiquato Kingdom might be in jeopardy. Please, Father, please. I miss you so much. We all miss you. I wish you can just stand up from this bed and smile with us again. I wish you can hear me. I wish you can feel what I feel down in the depths of my heart. Please, Father, come back. Stand up. Stand up from this bed, please. We all miss you. Your princess misses you.
Eye of the gods. Tomorrow, the kingmakers are set to meet with you at the palace of Igwe Odumodu to pronounce a verdict as regards to the heir to the throne of our great kingdom. Unfortunately, today become a sad day for us as we lost an honorable one, the Onowu of our land.
Oh no.
That is why we are here to make an inquiry if the meeting will still hold tomorrow, or do we wait and mourn the dead at the moment?
It is indeed a sad day in our great kingdom. I want us to understand that whatever thing that is happening recently in our kingdom has been destined to happen for a purpose. Tomorrow remains the fateful day. Tomorrow, the pronouncement is made. Tomorrow, our great kingdom, Isikwato, will behold the heir to the throne.
The gods are wise. And the gods are wise. The gods are not stupid. The gods are wise. Man may be fast, thinking he's smart, but the gods are...
The planted seat of power it is. Symbolism of stability, where authority springs, center of unity and love.
The throne of Isikwato Kingdom, protected by Oji, God of our ancestors.
Sitting on the throne, the king never errs. Perpetuity is of the very essence of its nature. Today, the verdict is pronounced. On the throne of Isikwato Kingdom lies the ancestral staff of Oji, the God of justice. Eze, you may step forward. Lift the staff of Oji and prove yourself worthy to be the next king.
Easy. You have no place with the throne of Isukwato Kingdom. Do not try again, else you get destroyed. There is an heir to the throne of Isukwato Kingdom. The heir lives.
The gods are not stupid. Gods are wise. Man may be fast, thinking he's smart, but the gods are wise. Ooh. Gods are wise. They're wise. Oh yeah. In the eyes of the foolish, meekness is weakness, yeah. So he goes around bluffing up and down, causing destruction. In his mind, wrong is right. In his sight, good is bad. But whom the gods have mapped for destruction, they will cause to heed no advice, yeah. Oh yeah. Might take some time, but it's sure. Might take time, might take a while. Yeah. Days will come, years will go by. Tempest will rise, yeah. But if you just stay strong, this hour will pass. If it's enough, what do you? Okay, me wanna. If it's enough, my get a call, guess it is enough. Evil will rise, but evil will fall. Trial will last, but victory is sure. No matter what the circumstance, it's gonna be okay. Don't be afraid, cause truth is alive.
Udoka, please come.
The gods are not stupid. Might be slow.
Is it true what I heard?
What?
That the prince has been rejected by the gods as the next in line to the throne.
Which prince do you speak of?
Are you stupid? Do we have two princes in this kingdom? Wait, so, or was he also rejected as the prince? Ezebunafo, of course. Is it true that he was unable to lift the staff of Oji that would automatically confirm him the next king of this kingdom? Tell me, is it true?
Madam, please, I didn't hear you say this. I mean, how do you expect me to know about this? Or do you want to put me into trouble?
Ha! How can somebody be working in a palace and he won't know anything happening around him? No, I need to ask someone. I need to know the truth. If Ezebunafo is no longer going to be the king of this kingdom, I need to know on time and bounce. I was only following him because I hope to be the queen of this kingdom. If the gods I've rejected him as the king, then I am not doing anything here. I just have to go. After all, what will I be doing with such an arrogant prince? Ha! No. I need to find out the truth. I was even busy licking their asses, including that of that little brat that calls herself the princess. Oh, no. I just have to find out what is going on. Because I can't be doing anything with a commoner. If he's no longer the prince, then he's a commoner. Yes, I need to find out the truth. Nina, here you are. I was actually trying to...
No one is left. Not a single soul. My brother was right anyways. You were only trying to see if he's still the heir apparent to the throne or not. And if not, you run off to the next person and deceive with your fake love and crocodile tears.
No, Nina, no.
Now leave this premises before I release the dogs on you.
Nina, you can't do that to me. It hasn't gotten to that. Listen, it's not what you think.
My princess.
Nina, can you just stop? I was only trying to find out what's going on.
Send this gold digger out of this compound.
Come on,
now.
Nina.
Ma?
I said, send her out of this compound now! Hey, don't you dare touch me!
What do you want to do? You want to touch the next queen of this kingdom? You must be out of your senses.
Okay, Chupu, send her out of my sight! You just stop!
Nina, it's me, oh. Nina, it's me, oh, Nina. Put me down, idiot! Nina, it's me, oh, Nina, put me down. Nina, we can sort this out now, Nina, it's me, Natasha, it's me. Nina, it's me, oh. Nina, open this gate! Open it! You, come on, open this gate now!
How difficult it is to hit your target without identifying it.
I do not understand what you are talking about, Okumaka. You gave an instruction. I followed it to the letter. Chupado the idiot. I shot him myself a couple of times and I killed him. I buried him. So what are you saying? Why can't I lay my hands on that which rightfully belongs to me? Why can't I lay my hands on the mantle of leadership of the Isukwato kingdom, which I have longed for all my life? Why?
You obviously have missed the real target. Your so-called target is never an offspring of Igwe Odumodu, the seventh of Isukwato kingdom.
What are you talking about?
Onwelugo gbenje kili mmanwu nje nene mmanwu nje kili mmanwu. Onwelugo gbenje kili mmanwu oyi. Nekwu ihe na-eme agụ n'isi. Look at them. Get hold of them. Those two seem to know a lot. Find out that which they know and take advantage of it. Until that happens, your chances of taking up the mantle of leadership of Isukwato kingdom is no difference from embarking on a wild goose chase.
Nebogidi Obuzelo gidi na dizi ko den fe Akwe manu na diran fe Asima diran fe Ife jina bodo kuno Ife jina bunwoke Ife jina chobodo
Mother, you are here again.
man, where is your daughter?
My Onye Kankene, my daughter. What has she done again?
I said, where is she?
There is anger in your voice. Tell me, what did she do? What did she do this time?
Where is she? Where are they?
Where? Who? Who are they? Who? Onye? Eh? Who are they? Who? Onye?
Get them, get them.
No!
Tyrant, look what you've done to your people. Oh, tyrant, look what you've done to your people. Oh, no, no, no. Is it Bonafo? Our guinea can marry. Where they come, I don't know. Tyrant, look what you've done to your people. Oh, tyrant, look what you've done to your people. Oh, no, no, no. Wisdom is calling. Wisdom is calling. Would you answer? Could you answer?
Mama! Hey! Mama! Hey! Hey!
Awaginika game merigi. Kimwe di kamaduno. Tyrant, look what you've done to your people.
Don't touch my son! Don't touch my son! Don't touch my son! Don't touch my son! Don't touch him!
No. Wisdom is calling. Wisdom is calling. Would you answer? Could you answer? Tyrant, what have you done to your people? Your people? If it's not my get a call, guess it is enough. Evil will rise, but evil will fall. Trial will last, but victory is sure. No matter what the circumstance, it's gonna be okay. Don't be afraid, cause truth is alive. God's so wise. Ooh, the gods are not stupid. God's so wise. Might be slow, but sure. God's so wise. The hour of judgment must come.
Your body is in the closet.
It must come.
Because of you, I was not able to lift the ancient staff of authority. Because of you, I have not been crowned king of this land. Who are you? It simply means there is something you know that I do not know.
Please. There is nothing I know. I don't understand what you're talking about.
I'll ask you for the very last time. What is it you know that I do not know?
I swear to you, my prince, I know nothing. I said...
If you fail to answer me, I ask again. I will have these men cut you into little pieces. Answer me!
I will not lay those guilty hands on my mother again! You desperate fellow! Your desperation will only bring you doom, and that doom is here!
No.
Did you just talk to me? Little fellow. Did you just talk to me? Did you?
The gods are wise. The gods are wise. The gods are not stupid. The gods are wise. Man may be fast, thinking he's mad, but the gods are wise. Ooh. Gods are wise. They're wise. Oh yeah. In the eyes of the foolish, meekness is weakness. Yeah. So he goes around loving up and down, causing distractions. In his mind, wrong is right. In his sight, good is bad. But whom the gods have met for distraction, they will cause to heed no advice. Yeah. Oh yeah. Might take some time, but it's sure. Might take time, might take a while. Yeah. Days will come, years will go by. Oh yeah. Thunder will strike, the tempest will rise, yeah. But if you just stay strong, this hour will pass. If it's enough, what do you do? Okay, me wanna. If it's enough, my get the clock, evil will rise, but evil will fall. Trial will last, but victory is sure. No matter what the circumstance, it's gonna be okay. Don't be afraid.
What happened to you? Oh my God, did you see them? Why didn't you stay at home? Oh my God, did you see who? Did you see them? Did you see Kasebo and Mama? They're faking them. They're faking them. Just take me to where they are. I don't know. Hey, okay, they can bear. What did I ever do wrong? They can't bear no move. Let me get my seat. Let me get my seat. No. Wait.
The gods are not stupid. The gods are wise. Man may be fast, thinking he's mad, but the gods are wise. Ooh. Gods are wise. They're wise. Oh yeah. In the eyes of the foolish, meekness is weakness, yeah. So he goes around loving up and down, causing distractions. In his mind, wrong is right. In his sight, good is bad. but whom the gods have marked for destruction. They will cause to heed no advice. Yeah, oh yeah. The gods are wise. Might take some time, but it's sure. The gods are wise. Might take time, might take a while. The gods are days will come, years will go by.
What is so urgent? That the chief priest demands our presence in the palace.
Ask me. Who will I ask?
Let's go, they may be waiting for us. But then...
What is going on here? Son, what is wrong? Ihoma.
I did not get married to Odumodu because I loved him. I married him because of my love for power. My quest for power lured me to him. Yes. Domination has been the blood that ran through my veins since I was a child. I want to have the entire kingdom of Isukwato right on my palms. I want to preside over the affairs of the entire kingdom. I want to be the first female ruler east of the Niger. I want to rule Isukwato as a king. Yes. That has been my ambition. But all my effort to sweep the man off his feet is not working out. To sweep the man off his strength. But all my effort to do that is not working out. Agunkwo, how else can I do this? How can I fulfill my ambition?
What you seek is not an easy task. The man you see there is an oracle by virtue of the seat he occupies. The throne of Isukwato Kingdom is not ordinary. Whoever that sits there is protected by great powers beyond. You can only get at him when the powers which protect him deserts him.
How do we make this happen, Agunkwo?
Manipulation. Yes. The ring you're wearing has a multiple work. Keep manipulating him with it. Sooner or later, he errs, does the abominable. Then the powers that protect him will leave him.
Then I can strip him of his strength. And afterwards,
have the entire kingdom on my palms. Become the first female ruler east of the Niger.
Slowly, he will die. Then you will rule the entire kingdom. Throw his son the heir first. Then finally, you will take over. It is a gradual process. But you must understand the principle of how it works to strip him of his strength. When you strip him of his strength, physically, psychologically, most importantly, spiritually, it can only take a royal blood, one from his loins, one who is deemed fit to sit on the throne as the heir, to bring him back to life. Yes, it takes a pure royal blood to bring back the royal blood that has been made impure. More reason you must get his son, the heir to the throne, to always walk with you. Contaminate him with the order which you believe and follow. He must not walk against you, because if he does, he might reverse everything that you have ever worked for. The faith he marches on the palace, the same ground that harbors the throne, might spell trouble for you.
Son! What have you done? What have you done, son? When did you start working against me? What have you done? He has done nothing!
You shot yourself in the leg the moment you choose to lie to the entire people of this kingdom. And you also lied to yourself. Indeed, it takes a pure royal blood to bring back to life the royal blood that has been made impure. The moment of truth is here.
But come, who is this little boy?
Wow, I was about to ask
who are you?
Mother, tell us that which you know about the royal home. Tell us that truth, which you have also hidden from your only son. The time is now.
Why are you here uninvited?
Uninvited, you say? Save that for some strangers. And not me. I mean, aside being the Onowu of this kingdom, I'm your love. The soon-to-be godfather of the royal household. The man who will rule on the ground when my son Ezebunafo is enthroned to rule this great kingdom. And he will be known as Igwe Idejindo I of Isiokwato Kingdom.
Ide, what are you talking about?
What am I talking about? Come on. You think I will allow my son to bear that man's name when he ascends the throne? But come to think of it, the Igwe has no son. I mean, I'm tired of seeing him parading my son as his son. I mean, If he is man enough, let him produce a son that will carry on his name and not parading my son as his son.
Come on, dear.
Look, I'm tired of waiting. I'm tired of waiting. In fact, I hate that man. I hate him. I hate him for snatching you away from me. And I can't wait for him to get out of the way.
Day. Be mindful of what you say here. Walls have ears. Eze's true paternity is a top secret between you and I. I only told you because I love you. Yes. You and I know that you are the one I love. I love you then and I still love you now.
Really?
Of course. You need to relax. Do not let your emotions becloud you. Wait. Come on. You need to wait until it's time. Else, the game plan will be distorted. Yes.
Come here. Ihoma. I said, come here. What were you doing?
The kitchen food.
You were what?
I wanted to.
The kitchen, the food. Did I ask you to make food for me? So?
I'm sorry, Your Highness.
Were you eavesdropping on me?
No, Your Highness. I won't dare to do that. I wasn't.
What did you hear? I asked a question.
Nothing. I didn't hear anything, Your Highness. Your Majesty, you sent for me. Your Majesty.
What is that secret that you know that is capable of pulling down the entire royal household? Ihoma. Answers to questions that bothered us most could sometimes be found in an unexpected waters. Sit down.
Huh?
I said sit down.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty. I'm not worthy to sit beside you. Not on your bed.
You have my permission to do that. Sit. Ihuoma, I do not only see you as one of those mediums, but I see you as personal assistant assigned to my wife, a closest confidant. I see you as one most vulnerable amongst them all. One whom I can trust and discuss certain issues without getting scared, irrespective of the gender. Yes, you endorse respect and admiration from me due to your long years of dedicated services to me and the royal household. I've been married to my wife for several years, yet I still have the feelings I'm living with a stranger. You are my wife's personal assistant, and as such, very close to her. Tell me that secret you know about my wife that she does not want me to know about.
Your Majesty, I do not...
Ihuoma.
Your Majesty. Your Majesty, I think... Don't you think you're drinking too much?
You think His Majesty is drunk for asking a question as private as that? You might be right.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty, but I didn't mean it that way. That wasn't what I meant.
And that happens sometimes in a man's life. When he feels unsafe within. When the closest place he seems to get succor seems far away from him. Yet he finds it difficult to draw his closer. When he knows that something is definitely wrong within, yet he couldn't place it. When his sense of judgment begins to fail him, even when it is not supposed to, then he finds himself doing that which is not supposed to. Call it an adventure. Probably so he could wake and his sense of judgment is back to him.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty, but you speak in riddles. Your Majesty, I would suggest you take a rest. Maybe by the time you wake up, you'll feel much better. Please.
And maybe I would want to rest with you. Just maybe a bond could do.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty, but I don't... Your Majesty, please stop. Your Majesty, this is unlike you. You're very much respected and loved by everyone, and that does not exclude me. Please, I don't think you should do this.
Are you now going to refuse His Majesty? Take me on adventure, my dear. Maybe when I'm back, my sense of judgment will return with me. Maybe then you may be able to draw me closer to that which I need to know.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty, this is not right.
Your Majesty, no. Please. Please, stop, Your Majesty. This is not right, Your Majesty. Please. I'm very sorry. What have I done?
You're mad at me?
I'm sorry. I'm not. Please, I said I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please tell me if I've offended anyone. I can ask for forgiveness. Please don't kill me.
Death doesn't ask for forgiveness. No one steps on the toes of Queen Bianca of the Squatter Kingdom and goes scot-free. You seem to know too much. And the best way to handle people like you in our society.
Please. Okay. I don't know anything.
Calm down. Don't be scared. Can you talk now? Eh? Relax. Who are they? I mean, the people that shot at you. Do you recognize any of them? Okay. Just relax. The outfit you wore 7 days ago when these ugly incidents took place shows you work at the palace of Isukwato Kingdom, which is miles away from here. And I wonder how you came this far. At a time, I thought about going to the palace to report these ugly incidents. But my instinct told me to wait for you so you can regain consciousness before taking any other step. Now, is there anything you want to tell me? Huh? Maybe I should take you back to the palace.
No. Take me to my mother. Take me to my mother. Bagalumun. Take me to my mother, please.
Who is your mother?
Bagalumun.
It will
never be well with you. It will never be well with all of you. It will never be well with you. Whatever you make me go through, all of you will go through. You know your hands over you. Whatever you lay your hands on will never prosper. It will never prosper. You will also don't create all of you will go through them. You'll be alright. You'll be alright.
Hey, mother, you come out of my. You didn't explain things well to me. There's no more.
Few weeks later, I discovered I was pregnant with a child. That was the beginning of my nightmares. The circumstances surrounding the birth of my child caused me so much trauma every passing day. I tried everything I could to terminate the pregnancy because I didn't want anything that would remind me of what happened here in the palace. All my efforts to terminate the child proved abortive, and I almost lost my life in the process. It was then I was told that the child I carried in my womb was not ordinary, that there were some forces protecting him. After I had my child, I hid his paternity from him because I didn't want him to know his truth. Believing that one day he would want to know who his father is, and that might pose danger to his life. The exact reason we fled Isikuato and left for my maternal home in Indiago. My king, I'm sorry for keeping this a secret. Kasienebi here is your son.
No!
Kasiemobi. Igor Dumodi here is your father.
No! No! No!
Ezebuna for Kalamo. Uduguina. Never call more for.
No, son! No! It is too late to lament! No! It is too late to quit! We must never wait. We must finish what we have started. We are winners and not losers. We need to finish them. Get me your hand. Get me your hand.
You had the chance to leave. But then, you chose death. Never in history has evil triumphed over good. It is a matter of time. The throne of Isikuato Kingdom, the throne of our ancestors, has been protected by Oji, the god of our ancestors, till death. Maybe, just maybe, the pure royal blood has resurrected the royal blood that has been made impure. And we shall save the dance.
not stupid. Gods are wise. Man may be fast, thinking he's mad, but the gods are wise. Ooh. Gods are wise, they're wise. Oh yeah. In the eyes of the foolish, meekness is weakness. Yeah. So he goes around loving up and down, causing destruction.
All hail the praise. All hail the praise.
In his sight.
All hail the praise.
All hail the praise.
All hail the praise.
No advice. Yeah. Oh yeah. The gods are wise. Might take some time, but it's sure. The gods are wise. Might take time, might take a while.
Are wise.
Days will come, years will go by.
Your Majesty.
Oh yeah. Thunder will strike, the tempest will rise, yeah. But if you just stay strong.
I want to apologize to you once again for all that transpired in the past. I take responsibility for all my actions. And I want to assure you that I, Igwodumodu, the servant of Isiquato Kingdom, I will right all wrongs. It is obvious you belong in the palace. Oh yes, you do. Awachi has made it so. So come.
Hey, asa achokata wambenye. Achobaya no woman. Destiny can be delayed, but my daughter, it cannot be denied. You need not to be afraid or scared of anyone again, because Awachi Ezabiama has made a way for us. You named your son, my own grandson, Cassie. Yabo, Cassie Mobi. Our consolation. Obinigwe has used him to wipe away our tears. That's notwithstanding. The most important thing is your heart is there. More so, to assure your son's parentage. Because I would have thought otherwise if your heart is not there. And because your heart is there, you accept this proposal. Truly, you belong in the palace. We belong in the palace. You can confirm it with what happened back there in the palace. And Obinigwe has confirmed it. And may his name alone be praised.
Yes.
And he has shown that he does not sleep nor slumber. My daughter, come. 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 He's not sleeping. He has heard us. And may his name alone be praised.
he's mad, but the gods are wise. Ooh. Gods are wise, they're wise. Oh yeah. In the eyes of the foolish, meekness is weakness. Yeah. So he goes around bluffing up and down, causing destruction. In his mind, wrong is right. In his sight, good is bad. But whom the gods have marked for destruction, they will cause to heed no advice. Yeah. Oh yeah. Might take some time, but it's sure